Hi everyone, my name is Nitya. Welcome to the Storage Foundations course. In this course, we'll take a look at SNIA's Storage Foundations exam syllabus, or you could also search for EMC's ISM certification exam. Whatever is the curriculum given in EMC's ISM or in SNIA Foundation course, we'll be covering the same in this series of videos. Let's get started. We'll first understand the very basics of storage. And why do we have to go ahead and even store? Because we have something called as data. How is data different from that of an information is, okay, that's information. As you see here, the only difference between data and information is data plus meaning is equal to information. Okay, so that's a very basics. Let's go ahead and understand and make it very clear. Going forward, we'll take a look at various types of data. So if you take a look at various data types, you have structured data and unstructured data. That's how we'll classify various data types, though there are various ways of classifying data in the net. So we classify data as structured and unstructured. SNIA, which is an association of various industries, they went ahead and did a study and found that around 20% of an organization's data is structured, whereas the rest 80% is unstructured. Okay, so unstructured data is anything from audio to video to any other file that you can think of. Whereas structured data examples are that of the databases, the data that resides in your various structured databases. Okay, where you have, say, for example, okay, in a SQL database, for example, you save your information or your data as tables, rows and columns in a very structured manner. Whereas you have unstructured data such as your audios and videos and various other file formats which are much more predominant in any given organization or which is available on the internet as such. Okay, so that's a classification of data. Moving forward, let's go ahead and take a look at various storage devices which are used to store this data or information. We'll stick to the term data, though it might mean information depending on whether it makes sense to you or not. Okay, so let's get started with different types of storage devices. We classify storage devices as temporary and permanent storage devices, or we classify it as volatile and non-volatile storage devices. Your volatile storage device example is that of your RAM. Okay, so volatile itself means that your data will be lost if the storage device loses power. Okay, so examples of your storage volatile storage device is that of your RAM. Okay, everybody knows about RAM, so we're not going to be discussing more about it. Let's now go ahead and talk about the non-volatile storage devices. There are various non-volatile storage devices, as you see here, starting from hard drives to your floppy disks to magnetic tapes. There are various non-volatile storage devices. So if we have to classify them in detail, in this particular course, we'll take a look at what is a hard drive, what are the various components of a hard drive. If you group a couple of hard drives, what are they called? What is the difference between a group of hard drives and that of a storage array, and so on and so forth.